Welcome to the Hampton Inn in St. Louis. This is just down the road from the airport. It's not by the airport like he usually stays at. It's just a few miles away. So Lloyd was staying here and he took some footage for us so we could see what the room looked like. It's a typical 2-queen bed room. It's kind of small though. You can see it's just barely enough room there to get through. He had this huge big oak tree right outside his window. Now he had gone off to get groceries, and when he came into the room he thought he could heat up his food in a microwave. But as he looked around, he didn't find a microwave. So he went downstairs and asked the front desk if they had one down there. And she said, no, they don't have one in the whole hotel. He was like, what? She said they do have one in the manager's office and she could heat it up for him. But she quoted some kind of Hilton thing that didn't have microwaves in the hotels anymore. He just thought that was kind of bogus. He's not heard that before, but he said he's definitely not staying here at this location again. They also had one of those doors, you know, that's like you can have it in between 2 hotel rooms in case you wanted to have connecting rooms. He doesn't like that because you can hear everything in between that the other person does, whether they're coughing, farting, watching TV, talking, just normal. You can hear them as if they're right there in the room with you. That kind of drives him crazy. I can't blame him. It would drive me crazy too. But it's not too bad of a room. It's okay. But it's small. It's not one of his typical. He's spoiled. But I want to give you guys a good little peek at what it looked like. Thanks for watching.